Hi, sweethearts. It's Rowan, and I am looking a bit of fright today, aren't I? But, as it is a meatless Monday, not vegan Monday, I've got one of those Beyond Meat burgers. They're one of the few veggie burgers, that at Kroger that I can actually eat. Unfortunately, they are both the most delicious and the most expensive. There are other ones I can eat. There's, at least, two of I think it's the Hillary's brand. No, I don't want that right now. I think it's the Hillary's brand, is what it's called. At least two of those are ones I can have. And I was, talking with somebody, I believe it was on the, Pitchfork channel on, in the comments. There was somebody, like overrated, underrated, and I'll link that below, even though they don't really need my promotions of any of their videos. I'm going to link it below. Overrated, underrated, the two gentlemen that they had on, it went to, Juggalos, overrated or underrated, and they were like, oh, underrated, and, ICP's why I know all the many flavors of Faygo, and, so I was, like, battling with, I was kind of, like, arguing with somebody, and, well, I wasn't really arguing. First I said rock and rye is the best flavor, because it's this hybrid flavor. It's like, what kids would make up at the soda fountain. It's like part cola flavor, and it's uncaffeinated, too, which is one of the things I love, because I can't have caffeine after 6. Hard cutoff is 8, but I like to peter myself out at 6, and it's like 7 now, so... like, I can't have caffeine after 8, or I will not sleep. How I'm supposed to. And for some insane reason, I woke up at 5 a.m. today, and after falling asleep just after midnight, like, I accidentally fell asleep, like, on the couch just after midnight, and then I woke up at 5 a.m., and I've been going ever since, and I'm trying to, like, I haven't even had coffee today, because I don't want it to, like, I want to get back on my on my normal sleep schedule. I'm asleep at 4, I'm up at noon, but no, it's uncaffeinated, and it's this hybrid of cola and cream soda and their Red Pop, which is largely strawberry flavored, but it's got some cherry and it's got some raspberry in there. So yeah, it's a blend of their cola, their Red Pop, and cream soda, and like I said, it's like something that a kid would concoct at the soda fountain, and it is the best damn thing. Unlike any other flavor of soda anywhere else. Probably one of those holdovers from the 20s or something. I think they started in 1918 or so, or maybe like earlier in the 19-teens, because I think they had their 100th anniversary. Or was it only 90? I don't know. But it's probably one of those holdovers from the 20s or 30s flavors. And, oh, there's my Exacto. So, I'm looking a bit of mess right now. I've had things to do all day. I spent the weekend not doing anything, because I did so many things on Friday. And I didn't have all the things to do today. I had a lot of things that I could have done today, but I decided to stick it to only a few things, which was get the mail, have JC at Pen Guy Piercing in downtown Ann Arbor, right across the street from that P.O. box. Have him look at my dermals, because one of them, it popped out of the little pocket that was made for it, last night, and I slipped it back in, and it looks like it was a little bit irritated by my bag, so, I got my care instructions from JC. I was actually on the, Pangea Piercing Modern World YouTube series, getting the dermals, because, it's a bit of an unusual placement. It's around scar tissue, and it was for the, 9th or 10th anniversary, a couple months belated, excuse me, rock and rye, yummy. It was a couple months belated for the 9th or 10th anniversary of my trans male top surgery. So I wanted to commemorate this with some piercings, since I lost my nipples in the surgery. This one was reconstructed. Well, they were both reconstructed, but this one healed all right. This one healed really stupidly. So I got a bunch of packages in the mail today. I'm not sure what this is. If it's a bomb, we'll find out, won't we? So I know what this is. Pretty sure I know what this is. I don't remember what this is, and this better be what I think it is, or I'm going to be mildly upset. So, let me first do the thing that I know it is. Where'd my X-Acto go? Oh, right there. So, I was going to do a review when I have the rest of these books. I've already got 2 of them, well, unopened. This is the, well, this is volume 3 in the series. This is number 2 in the series. And this one is, I believe, number 4. Number 1, I'm hoping to find it cheaper than what it's currently being listed as on Amazon. And number 5 just came out, a year or so ago, after so much delay on it. Yes, this is number 4. The haggis-on-whey, what's it say? The haggis-on-whey World of Unbelievable Brilliance. These are little parody books of, those children's library of knowledge kind of things that I grew up with. I mostly grew up with them in the form of thrift shop finds, or hand-me-downs from aged, stuff my parents had. So this... Oh, actually, I have an idea what this is. I think I did, because I downloaded Wish onto my phone, and I knew it would get me in trouble, or at least I have a suspicion that it could get me in trouble, and I really hope it does not get me in trouble. And this is not this. What is it? Oh, I know what this is! Wait, do I? Oh, never mind, I do know what this is. This is something else. This is, I was going to, hopefully be able to fill out my, one of my succulents. A big part of it dropped off, and and this is the leaves. Hopefully I will be able to get these to recultivate in some potting mix. I have not had luck with trying to cultivate other leaves that have come off on it. So, on the good side, those were fairly inexpensive for me. Hold on. On the good side, those were fairly inexpensive for me, but unfortunately, I'm not too optimistic, but I do know another seller that will be... Oh yes, this is from the Bedroom Witch, and I've been pitching her music on, a lot, especially on my show. Yay! Oh, and we've got a letter. Thank you so much for being patient with this shirt. I finally found the time and resources to print a new batch. I hope you enjoy it, and I'm also sending you a copy, of an injury tape, just because I want you to have it, and you're so great for waiting. Oh, yay! So I've got a free tape. Does it come with a code for the, does it come with a code for the, I am not seeing a code for the download online, but, oh, yay! Oh, that's really fancy, isn't it? I do not... Oh, I do have a download code. Yay! Oh, hooray, hooray! I've got a download code for the thing. Redeem at... Okay. I've got a download code. Yay! I was gonna buy this too. Oh, wait, no. Okay. I've got a download code. Hooray! I was gonna buy this too. Actually, you know, by the time I download it, it's gonna be in... By the time I upload this video, it's gonna be invalid. But I've got a download code! Yay! Ah, I was actually gonna pay for this too. I kind of feel a little bad that she's not getting extra money from me, but... Oh, yay! Did I get the right size? Oh, this should fit. Yay! I've got a Bedroom Witch t-shirt, and you should go to her Bandcamp and order more. Oh my gosh, she's wonderful. Ah, t-shirt. And a letter. Oh my god! Letter from a wonderful musician who I admire so much, and this is my last thing, isn't it? Yes, it is. But yeah, the other thing on Wish, the thing on Wish that I was expecting, that I thought that might have been, but it turned out I was wrong because I don't understand spatial reasoning at times, and other times I understand it better than most. So, I ordered this makeup bag on Wish, and because it was $1, and with $1 shipping, so that probably means, you know, it's going to take forever to get here from wherever, probably somewhere in China, and I'm really, and I don't need a new makeup bag, but this was a black cat. And Wish is going to get me into so much trouble, or at least it has the potential to, and I know what this is. This is, so, okay, my messenger bag. I love my messenger bags. I've been carrying these around for so many years, but this always happens. This always happens. Come around to the side, and yay! This always happens. I get, like, at tops, 18 good months out of a bag. Usually between, like, 9 and 11 months. Oh, this is really bad. So, because I'm going on 40 years old. I am 4'11", and if I gave a shit about what people considered of my masculinity every time, I probably would not think much of myself at all. So I went and I got a lady's purse. Oh, it's a little bit smaller, isn't it? Yeah, it's quite a bit smaller, but I don't carry around that big folder full of, ooh, this is suede inside. This is suede inside, ooh. Oh, that's really nice. That's much nicer than I thought it would be inside. The sides are a bit... They probably need re-breaking in, but the eBay seller said it was vintage. The strap's a bit shorter, but honestly, I could probably get an old belt at a thrift shop and extend it. And oh gosh, I keep crusading. That's a bit small to do crossbody, isn't it? Well, like I said, if I gave a shit about what, you know, heterosexual men thought of me, I would not think very much of myself. at the end of the day. But, so, you know, let me see what all I can get into this bag to see if it was indeed. So this is vintage eel skin on the exterior, and the interior is suede. Oh my gosh, that was such a better. Oh, looks like I might need to do. No, that looks like how it's done. Okay, so I've also got an eel skin checkbook cover. And it's where I keep my bank cards, so, don't need that pencil, don't need that pen. Yeah, I could stand to have that with me, mod. And that's for when I'm waiting for the bus at night, and that I'm gonna put my earbuds back into. Okay, this can go up about in here. And that's garbage. And does this have any juice in it left? Not really. I really liked these NYX 3-dimensional brow pencils, but you get like 2 or 3 good uses out of them, and then they're garbage. Ooh, need the poopery. Ooh, I like that lip gloss. And MP3 player, and my eraser. Oh, mystery film. Mystery film's gotta go. I gotta take the mystery film into the place with the thing. What's that called? Camera mall. Oh! There's where it is. Yay! My unk ring. And all the coins. And I do want to get a smaller wallet, because this is a lot of things to have in here. Or at least it's more space than I need, you know? It's more wallet than I need, so I do want to get a smaller one of those. And let's see. Coupons. I'll figure that out. That's not the really important shit. Okay, and then we've got my date book and my address book, because I'm an old person who still keeps address books. Oh! There's where one of my paintbrushes went. And that's a thing. And, okay. Yeah, it looks like if I just get a smaller wallet, everything's going to fit just fine. But as it is, I might want to leave these at home, maybe. But yeah, I can. Yeah, as soon as I get a smaller wallet, this is going to be great. This is going to be like all I need, really. And it's. Oh, I'll need to figure out something to do about my pens. But. Yeah, I can figure that out. I can get like. Oh, wait, my makeup bag's not going to fit in here, is it? I'll figure something out. I'll figure something out. I'll figure a way around this. Okay, so we've gone through my mail. We've mostly figured my way around my new vintage leather bag. Oh, this is beautiful. And I should put pins down the side here. And, yeah, I should get a belt. You know, like a little thin belt. I find these little thin belts at thrift stores all the time. And I should get one and just basically extend the strap like that. Or, worst case, I can take a piece of this strap and put a buckle on it and, you know, punch a hole in one end and put a buckle on the other end and just make an extension like that. So, oh! I should also show everybody because I don't think we've seen it on the show. So I actually finished this a while ago. So you've seen on my leather jacket, I've got the purple painted. I use Leather Studio paints on my leather, and then I go over it with their sealer. And so I went over 2 coats of their purple, I think it's called amethyst, and then a coat of their silver glitter, and then I sealed it. And then this side, and then this part is just the amethyst purple, and then the epaulets here. This is 2 coats of the silver glitter, and then and then it's the same on this side too. And then on the back, we've got my Luna Moth, and then as a nod to March Violets, as they were one of my formative bands, Botanic Verses was one of the formative albums I had. And I know it's a compilation, but it's one of my formative albums of my Baby Bat days, and we've got the Radiant Boy jacket, because I am, right? Okay, and I think that's it for now, and I think I'm good. So, bats and kisses, sweethearts, and I will see you when I make another, or you will see me when I make another video. I'll see you, or at least those of you who make videos, when I watch your videos, I guess. Alright, bats and kisses, love you, bye-bye, sweetheart.